In this video, I'll show you how to manage your TikTok videos visibility on your TikTok account. So if you decide you want some specific videos not to be shown to the public, then you can configure this all in one go. So let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you're going to first go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that is updated, go ahead and open the app. Now you want to tap on Profile here at the bottom right, then tap on the three lines at the top right, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now here, just under Content and Display, tap on Activity Center. Now here, you want to tap on Manage Post Visibility. So this will take all the videos which you have posted on your TikTok account and will show it here. So as it reads here, this feature is currently in beta testing and only supports certain posts. So not all of your posts will appear here. However, you can configure the post visibility for all these videos that are showing up on this page. So to do that, go ahead and select it, then tap on Next. Now here, currently it's selected as Everyone. So you can change it so it only shows to friends or only yourself. Once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Update. And now as it reads, it's only to yourself. So to change it back, select that, Next, and then I'll tap on Everyone. So there you go. That is how to manage post visibilities for your videos on your TikTok account. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.